Namaskar friends, I am Achar Kalki Krishnan from astrodevam.com. Today is Saptami Tithi of Navratri, means 7th day of 9 divine nights. And this day is devoted to the Mahakal Ratri. Kal means death or time, and Ratri means night. Due to this name, the form and appearance of Mahakal Ratri is very ferocious. All the forms of Devi were very soft, beneficent. But appearance of Devi Kalratri is very negative as well as ferocious, cruel, crude, anything you may say. She is mounted on the donkey or mule. Her hairs are here and there in disarrayed manner. She is totally pitch black. She is very angry. When she is breathing, fire is coming out of her nostrils. She has 3 eyes. All eyes are looking in a very angry manner. Her physique is also not very pleasant. So, Kalratri, that's why she is here to remove all the negativity from the life of devotees. But she is certainly bound to create problems and hurdles in the life of persons who are not following the rules of nature, rules of humanity. They don't worship Devi in the form of energy and nature. She has 4 hands. In 2 hands, left hands, she has a big sword, as well as she has a iron hook called Vajra. And both these things are for the evil persons, and the right hand of her is in the Abhay Mudra, the gesture of reassurance and safety, and the other hand is Var Mudra, the gesture of blessing. These 2 hands are for her devotees who follow the rules of nature, rules of humanity. So this is the Devi Kalratri. They were very great demons, Sumbha and Nisumbha. They tortured, created horror in the whole world. Even Devatas, divine beings, even Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh could not face them. Then Parvati, the better half of Shiva, came to the rescue of the universe. A Devi Kaushiki came out of her body, the black color, and she resolved to stop all this mess created by Sumbha and Nisumbha. She killed Dhumraj. Dhumraj is only confusion. Dhumra means smoky eyes. It is confusion. Then she killed Chanda and Mund, the servants of commanders of the Sumbha and Nisumbha. And she became famous with the name of Chamunda after killing Chanda and Mund. Then ultimately she fought with the Sumbha and Nisumbha and killed both of them. In the meantime, another demon, Raktabij. Raktabij means seed of blood. The peculiarity of Raktabij was that with each drop of his blood, another Raktabij came out. He symbolizes our unlimited desires. So, in the form of Kali, the Devi also took all the drops of the Raktabij, and ultimately Raktabij was also annihilated. So, Devi Kalratri killed all the Sumbh, Dhumraj, Chand, Mund, Raktabij, so many demons, which even Devatas, the divine deities, could not face. Devi came into the cruel form and killed all these things. Actually, these stories have a very big secret, very philosophical secret, and someday in another video I will tell you the secret of all these stories, and you will be delighted to listen the real meaning of these stories, especially intellectual persons. And interesting thing about the Devi Kalratri is that all the other goddesses which I described in the last 6 days may be worshipped in day as well as night, but Devi Kalratri should preferably be worshipped in the night. She may also be worshipped in the day, but her puja should also be worshipped certainly at night, because her worship done in the night creates a lot of benefits, a lot of benefits. While doing puja, you should preferably wear black and blue robes. Till today, you must have seen that in every video I was wearing red or yellow cloths. But today I am not wearing red or yellow cloths because they don't suit the temperament of Ma Kalratri. If you can't wear blue and black cloths, then wear something of neutral color, just like me, what I have worn. You should offer jaggery to the Devi. Never offer sugar or any refined thing, because she is protector of Mother Nature. So jaggery, which comes in the natural form from the cane, sugar cane, it should be offered to the Devi Kalratri. And one thing, it will be better if you mix powder of black pepper into the jaggery before offering to Devi Kalratri. Certainly you will get good blessings. And everything sour and bitter taste is better for the Ma Kalratri. She is fond of every such thing. Even margosa trees, which are very bitter, they are also offered to the Ma Kalratri. And after offering to the Devi Kalratri, you should take these things as prasadam. Margosa tree leaves may be very bitter for but humankind consumes so many bitter things. Liquor, wine is very bitter. It doesn't have very funny taste, but people consume. So for the blessings of Ma Kalratri, you should eat her prasad in the better manner. In the astrology, she rules Saturn. So worship of Devi Kalratri is very beneficial for the persons who are suffering from the anger of Lord Saturn, or this is also beneficial for the persons who are doing something related to Lord Saturn: iron, petrol, leather, human resources, labor. This is something, labor, it is something like this. And very interesting thing, worship of Devi Kalratri is very beneficial for the political persons who had to run in the elections, fight the elections, and go into the masses, and they should be beloved to the masses for the obvious reasons. So they should worship Devi Kalratri. I have suggested many politicians worship of Devi Kalratri, even organized yajna for the Devi Kalratri, and they were benefited like anything. The mantras for the Devi Kalratri are now you can see it on the screen in the English, but if you want to see these mantras in Hindi, as I already told you many times, we always release the videos in Hindi also. You can see these mantras in Hindi or Devanagari written or Sanskrit in those videos. In these videos we write English. So the mantra, first mantra, which is most powerful, is the Bij mantra, Om Klim Hlim Mahakalratre Namah. You can see the mantra on the screen. Second mantra is Om Devi Kalratre Namah. Third mantra is Ya Devi Sarvbhuteshu Kalratri Rupede Sanstita Namastasya 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 Namo Namah. And the last mantra, fourth mantra, very popular it is, but this is not the mantra in the exact sense. It is only the description of the form of Devi, appearance of Devi. एक वेड़ी जपा कर्ड पूरा नग्ना खरास्थिता लंबोष्ठिकी कर्णिका कर्णी तैलाभ्यक्त शरीरी वाम पादोल्लस सल्लोह लता कंटक भूषणा वर्धन मूर्ध ध्वजा कृष्णा कालरात्रि भयंकरी. This mantra should not be recited in regular manner. You should just start your puja reciting this manner. So it is something like this. One more thing, in the yoga and tantra tradition, Devi rules Sahasrara chakra, which lies here. Crown chakra it is also called. So crown chakra it is ruled, and mantra for this crown chakra, in persons who are worshipping Devi Kalrati, they should not recite any mantra, but they should release only cosmic sound. It is something like the you do this pranayama, Brahmari pranayama, the same sound you can hear in your inner self. So you have to create this sound and should not recite the any mantra if you are in Tantra tradition. Okay. Now, as always, I will give some very useful tips. First tip is for the removal of enmity. If you face any enemy, and despite best efforts you are unable to get rid of the same, then this is the remedy for you. Take a piece of paper of the black color or red color. If you are taking red color paper, then write name of your enemy with the black color. If you are taken piece of red paper, then write with the ink of black paper. If you have taken a piece of red paper, then write with the black color. So contrast colors should be used, contrast colors should be used, and write the name of your enemy on the paper, and sit in the Saptami night and recite the Bij mantra of Devi continuously for the whole night, and just before sunrise burn this paper. Either an enemy will go out of your sight, or the feeling of enmity will be removed from his heart. Another tip I want to give, very prominent, it is the regarding court cases. If you are suffering from court cases or fearing that you will be defeated, then in those cases, normally we organize Baglamukhi Puja and Yajna, even for not for the Indians and Hindus, for the persons of other faiths and other countries, and even for the companies and corporates. We have organized Baglamukhi Yajna multiple times, and all the persons and corporates have been benefited like anything. They got success in the court cases without fail. What you have to do, you have to recite a Ratri Sukta, which has been described in the Vedas, whole night, keeping focused on the lotus feet of Ma Kalratri. People have felt very good results from the Kalratri. In the Pandal, Durga Puja tradition, the eyes of Devi are opened today in the Saptami Tithi. It is just indicative that Devi was managing her household affairs till today in the very soft form, taking care of everything. She even gave birth of the Kartikeya or Skanda. So she was very much pleasant. But when she saw that everything cannot be handled in the soft manner, she took the crude form and cruel form and came out with the full force and vigor to resolve all the problems and hurdles of the life of devotees. So such is the Ma Kalratri. Let her blessings fall upon you. I am Acharya Kalki Krishna from Ashtodyam.com.